Hello and welcome to day 3 3 days since getting here, second full day in Korea. I'm trying to talk quietly as it is 4:38 and I don't know how thick the walls are. I haven't heard anybody, but I don't know. I'm just having breakfast and my mango 8 has pulp in it, which I didn't realize, and it's delicious. Plan is to walk to Namsan for sunrise and get the subway to the palaces and catch the English tour. I think I'm gonna go to Changdeokgung Palace. Oh, the Seoul City Wall Museum is near the mural village, so I might go there as well to see how the day goes. I think I have 4 hours sleep, so it's not looking too optimistic, but we'll see. I'm very excited. I hope this plan works out, unlike yesterday. It didn't go according to plan, but it still worked out and I had a good day. So make the most of life, everybody. We out here and she's all dark, but we'll see her soon. An excellent sign that we're going the right way. Woohoo! So yes, I'm en route to Namsan. Do I need a mask on while I'm alone outside? No. Will I wear it so people can't see me panting? Absolutely. Hee hee hee. Let's go. Just descended my first set of stairs. That was not pretty. And another one awaits me. Look. You can't see very well on camera, but in real life, I can see stars. I'm not quite at the top, but it's so pretty I keep stopping to just look around. These steps, serious business. But look how pretty. There is a decent amount of people also walking up. Quite a lot of people have passed me out. Personally, I've not passed anybody out because I'm super slow. You definitely won't be alone on the walk up. My heartbeat is literally, pretty sure that's in the cardio zone. That's where you get off the cable car, so we're very close. I see red rope. Uh-oh. No need to be alarmed, just some info. The big duck and our first sign of locks. We made it, people. We did it, besties, we made it. And over there is literally where we started. She doesn't have her lights on, and I don't think they will turn the lights on till about 10 AM I think, but we're here for the sunrise. Okay, the sun is definitely starting to rise over this way. Okay, update, I'm at the top. It took about half an hour to get here. My mask is keeping the wind off my face nicely. And what's on my head and why do I look like a little Red Riding Hood? Well, this is the blanket I got on the plane. I kept it and brought it with me just in case, and now it's wrapped around my head and neck, and one of the best decisions I ever made. So I got here quite early before the sunrise. That was the intention. There was varying times of how long I said it would take, but I was like, what if I get lost or I'm just like slow? But I can see, yeah, the sun is starting to rise. It's supposed to rise at 7:22 and it's about like, I think it's before 6:30. Okie dokie. Update. So after the end Seoul Tower, I was gonna leisurely walk down, then check out the Hotteok village, and then from there get the subway to the palace for the 1:15 tour. Have a real leisurely time getting there. But it got real cold real fast. I am freezing. By the time I power walk out of here, I'll probably be hot again. It's about 8 now. I think I'm just gonna walk down, then go back to the hotel, warm up, maybe add some layers. But now the sun is out, it's probably gonna get warmer, so I don't know. And then I think I'll actually go to the 10:15 tour in the palace, skip the Hotteok village for now at least, then eat, and then make some kind of plan from there. I think I might stick to indoors. Tons of people jogging up the mountain, and I'm considering jogging just so I can get out of here faster and back to the hotel. And it's very sad because it's so beautiful and when I appreciate it and look at the pretty trees, but I'm like, I need my duvet. See, I've gotten so far away. That must mean I'm getting to the bottom.
but I can see Big Day, so that means the end is in sight. I'm pretty much not cold anymore at all, but I do really need to pee, so still glad I chose to come back and go to the earlier tour. And now there she is. Bye bye.
Nice period taking this.
Oopsies, I have about 20 minutes to get a ticket and make it to the tour. Wish me luck. I made it with plenty of time to spare. Oh my gosh, I want to go on the free guided tour at 10:15, but nobody's over there. And I'm way too shy to be the only one on the tour, so I'm keeping tabs on things. The point is like just behind me, so we'll see. Just finished the tour of the palace and gone to the toilet and decided I will do the secret garden tour as well, as it's a beautiful sunny day, so why not? It's at 11:30, so I have a couple of minutes to wait. Also, no, it did not end up being a private tour. There were 2 other people on the tour, and then as we were walking, a group of 5 and a couple also joined in. Let's go. At the palace, they explain to you how Koreans used to not have their own alphabet and they would use Chinese symbols, so a lot of people were illiterate because they couldn't read or write, but they could speak it. So now I'm going to the National Hanguel Museum to find out more. Let's go.
Hello and good morning. Welcome to another day here in Seoul. It looks like a very nice day today. Also, it has a 100% chance of rain, which every so often I see people with umbrellas, but right now the sun is out and it doesn't seem to actively be raining, which is nice. Today I have a pretty chill day scheduled. I'm gonna set out from here to Express Bus Terminal, and then I think I'm gonna go from there to Hongdae. Maybe. I'm so excited to go to Express Bus Terminal. All the times I've gone to Korea, I've never gone, so let's go.
Nice period taking this.
Look at all this felt. I got pinks. This would be a brown, good skin color. Green, gray, purple, purple, blue, brown. Skin colory colors. Isn't this amazing? Look how big they are. They're A3 and they were like 800 won, like 60 cents. Isn't that incredible? Greetings. Everything is either closed or closing, so I'm eating some bread in the rain. Still having a great time though, still happy to be here. And you know, I think this is the bread cake that they make in that video that plays on the subway for Mini Forest, because it tastes like this brown sugar inside. Craving a nice beverage. Gonna try source one. Contemplating. Oh my gosh, this drink is ginormous. So happy about that. It was 3,900 and it's a strawberry yogurt smoothie. That's where I wanted to go, but I guess it wasn't meant to be. I did try to check the opening hours before leaving, but they didn't have any online, so I chanced it. I came, the lights were on, I got excited, the doors open, but there was a tiny paper sign that said closed, so tomorrow it is. I think I'm just gonna head back. Might come back to Hongdae tomorrow when it's not so late and it's not raining, so let's go. Another day, another missed subway, but somebody's bag was stuck in the door, so the doors opened again, and I managed to hop right on. Alternative location, and my favorite place, Rolling Pasta. Rolling Pasta's just over there. Just picked up a little snack. I was considering going to Rolling Pasta, but I think I'm gonna eat later, so I was like, I'll just get something small to tide me over. So here we are. Pretty, pretty. Okay, I think my plan is to go through the park and go down the Seoul City Wall Trail all the way to the Seoul City Wall Museum and then end up. So let's go. Here's the park. Isn't this cute? It's a little man and his dog. I say cute, but maybe it's actually sad and they're about to, you know, bloop, bloop. But they're together. Ooh la la. The dog has a little butthole. Wow. Did you know that S in Seoul stands for stairs? Because they are everywhere and they sure do love them. Our favorite place. And it's pretty at nighttime too. Here is part of the wall. See, I was wondering if this is the wall or just a wall, but it is the wall. Cool, let's walk down. She's thriving. I was expecting just like every so often there to be ruins of the wall, but that is a wall. Okay, this looks like Daehangno village. Cute. Peeking in the window. Ah! With each step, we get closer to the City Wall Museum. Oh! That's the tower. Ah, this really is a scenic walk. They didn't lie. Jackpot. Let's go. Look, there's Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Wow. So pretty. I love her. Okay, we're 30 meters from the City Wall Museum. Oh, steps or hill? I think I'll go steps. Oh look, there's one of the gates. This is a true juxtaposition of the old and the new. I'm excited to read more about the wall at the museum. I was just admiring this building from that way where I came, and it makes sense because it's the Seoul Design Foundation. And that's the City Wall Museum, but I don't know if it's that building or not. I'll try to find out. Oh. Oh. See, there's a gate, and then up there is some wall, and there's the museum. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.